Good afternoon, class. I'm Instructor Kid. Work at Meridian Fire Department. Been with Meridian Fire Department 5 years. I'm a driver. And today we're going to be talking about the self-contained breathing apparatus, better known as the Scba. Our objective today is to define what a Scba is, identify the major components of the Scba, understand the types of the Scba, learn pre-check inspections, and explore the inspection and maintenance protocols. First off, what is an Scba? An Scba is a device that provides breathable air in dangerous conditions. Commonly used by firefighters, rescue workers, and others in the IDLH conditions. IDLH stands for immediate dangerous to life and health. The importance of the Scba is protection from smoke, chemicals, and low oxygen environments. It enables safe operations for firefighters or rescue workers in the IDLH conditions. You got two different types of the Scba. You've got an open circuit Scba and you've got a closed circuit Scba. The open circuit Scba releases exhaled air into the atmosphere, and the closed circuit recycles exhaled air for the longer durations of time. You've got your Scba components. You've got your air cylinder, your face piece, your regulator, your backpack and harness, and your PASS device. PASS device stands for Personal Alert or a Personal Alarm Safety System. We'll talk more about them in a minute. Your air cylinder, it stores compressed air. It ranges. You've got several different types of air cylinders. Ours are carbon. You've got steel bottles and aluminum bottles, and they range in different sizes. They range anywhere from 2,200 pounds to 4,500 pounds to 5,500 pounds. And the size of your bottle durates how long you can stay in the condition. It ranges from 30 minutes to 60 minutes for the size. Your regulator, you got a first and second stage regulators, reduces pressure to the users and controls air delivery to the user. Your face piece, it provides a seal around the user's face. It is positive pressure system, so all your air that comes out of your air cylinder blows into the face piece, and if you've got a leak, it'll blow all your contaminants away from your face and you can't inhale them. Includes exhalation valve, voice diagram, and a heads-up display. The harness in the backpack, which is what holds your air cylinder bottle in, it provides comfort for the user and support for the user. They're made all different. Some of them are better than others, in my opinion. It distributes weight for balance and comfort. Your pre-use checks. You check your air in your Scba cylinder, and you check it on your PASS device. And these two pressures should be within 10% of each other. Test your regulator and your PASS. Make sure you have no bad seals in here. Make sure it's not cracked. All your hoses are good. Nothing's leaking. Inspect your straps and seals. Make sure there's no cracks or holes or anything. Make sure all your straps are loosened all the way. That way it's easier for you to put them on. Make sure there's no fray or tears. Check your hoses for leaks. And like I said, make sure your air is within 10% of each other. You turn on your Scba, and that's where you're going to check for air. We'll go over that in just a second. Your air monitoring, you check your heads-up display. It shows air. Make sure your low air alarms. I'm going to give a demonstration in just a minute. Your maintenance guidelines. You clean after each use with a mild soap and water. Dawn works great. you service to your manufacturing, and you hydrostatic test it every 5 years. Before we get into our conclusion, I'm going to talk a little bit more about this and demonstrate how it works. Before you put it on, you make sure your diaphragm here is closed, your purge valve is closed. Turn the bottle on. Your pass device beeps. You check your air, you check your pass device, make sure your air is within 10% of each other. And with the Scba, if you don't move within 30 seconds, your pass device goes off to let other firemen know you're down or you're not moving. Something is wrong. That's the first stage. Second stage gets a little louder, and the third stage gets really loud, and it stays loud until someone cuts it off manually. Cut your bottle off. Open your purge valve. Watch your pass device. Cut it off. Bottle stuck. There it goes. Cut your bottle off. Open your purge valve. Listen. Low air alarm goes off. No leaks. Everything's good. Your face piece. Put purge valve straight up. Twist. Clicks in. Should have a good seal around there. Same thing coming off. For our conclusion, the Scba is a device that provides breathable air in dangerous environments, protection from smoke, chemicals, and low oxygen environments, enables safe operations in the IDLH conditions. What does IDLH stand for? Immediate dangerous environment to life and health. You got two different kinds of Scba. You got an open circuit and a closed circuit. Your open circuit releases exhaled air into the atmosphere, and your closed circuit recycles air, exhaled air for longer durations. Your Scba components again, your regulator, your air cylinder, your harness and backpack, and your face piece. The air cylinder stores compressed air, which depending on the size ranges 2,200 pounds to 4,500 pounds, and it has a duration of 30 to 60 minutes. Your regulator controls air to the user. Your face piece or mask provides a seal around the face to protect from carcinogens. Your harness carries the Scba securely, and it helps distribute weight for balance. Your pre-check inspections is to check your pressure. Make sure your pressure is the same between your bottle and your pass or within 10%. Make sure all your hoses don't have any leaks. Check your regulator, make sure they don't have any leaks. Check your face piece, make sure it's good, your seal's good, it's not cracked, you don't have a crack in your mask or your face piece. And you maintenance, you clean after each use with mild soap and water, service according to your manufacturer, and you hydrostatic test every 5 years. Any questions? Thank you.